So yeah, we are now officially on Interstate I-40 West. It is 7:40 Central Time.
8:40 Eastern Coast time.
8:40 p.m. on the East Coast. We left Savannah, got on Interstate 95 at 11:45 this a.m. after both having a Big Mac.
Yeah.
So far made 3 stops, one in Jackson, Georgia to refill, one in Chattanooga, Tennessee to go to Subway, and then we just had our 3rd stop 107 miles ago in Nashville for another refuel. With my aftermarket tires on my car, I've been getting, just before I get to the red line on fuel, I've been going about 300 miles. And that's running average speed about 80 miles per hour the entire time. As I said, we're on Interstate 40 now. We're about 120 miles east of Memphis, Tennessee, which is almost right on the Arkansas border. We're going to be on I-40 until Flagstaff, Arizona, which means that we're going to be passing through the rest of Tennessee, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, and finally when we get to Flagstaff, we're going to hit 17 south, and before you know it, another 2 hours after that, we'll be in Glendale. Right now, expected arrival time, according to my GPS, if we don't stop, will be 9 p.m. tomorrow evening.
Oh God, that's a long trip.
Well, we knew this was coming. I mean, think of it this way. We're saving about $500. Because plane tickets are through the freaking roof.
Shit.
Not counting the rental car because God loves Steven, but I don't want to strand him and I don't want to be stranded.
True.
And I like walking, but not that much. Okay? Like Keisha, Pam, and Nikki. So this is vlog number 1. I'm sure there'll be some more because we'll have to keep talking to stay awake because I don't think we plan on stopping anywhere just for the fact that it's a foreign place and we really don't want our butts to be bleeding from some hitchhiker. So yeah, probably a good idea. So we're just gonna stay on the road, tough it out through the night. We got a portable DVD player, we got music, and of course, Billy has a Skype app on his phone just in case we need to scare anybody on Halloween. So in the meantime, vlog number 1, Patrick and Billy signing off. Bye, kids.
Bye.